Okay, this is Kevin James FX. FX goes to your mentor. So we're gonna analyze, we're gonna do a forecast of the week. Gonna do a forecast of the week. I'm gonna show you what do we have this coming week on Nasdaq and gold. I think we're gonna analyze those two. Yeah. So let's get on it now. Let's get on it. So basically, last week we've been taking sales now. Nasdaq has been bearish, has been on a bearish move now. So this week, what we anticipate on Nasdaq, we're anticipating a buy. This whole week we're anticipating a buy. So we're gonna start off by daily time frame, and then we're gonna take our trend line, and then we're gonna connect it where we see most touches now. I think the first trend line is here now. So let's clone this. Let's clone this and then try to adjust it on support now. This is the resistance trend line, and then let's take this and put it where it must. Yeah. So on a daily time frame, that's what we see here. We are seeing something like this. Nasdaq this week we're gonna have a bullish move because uh for the past few days we've been taking more south. We've been taking more south, so we are seeing something like this. We are seeing a push to the upside now. So that's what we see on Nasdaq. That's what we see on Nasdaq. So let's drop down to H4 time frame and see what we have now. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, we are seeing something like this. Let's just zoom out and see what do we have now. So on a 4-hour time frame, we're seeing something like this. We've been selling around here, and then we've been selling around here, and then we came here and broke this support trend line, and then right now we are in it now. I think when the market opens, we're gonna have a candlestick which is gonna give the bullish candlestick. Maybe we can have something like a gap or something. So, but this week we are seeing a buy on Nasdaq. So on a 4-hour time frame, we are seeing something like this. So we had, I think this is your false breakout now. This was your false breakout. So let's put something like this because I see a selling trend line. See a selling trend line. So we had something like this last week now. Something like this. So this we were on sales now. We were on sales for the whole week. So we had this channel. We had this channel. The market really respected this channel now. So let's clone this trend line and then let's put it somewhere here where we can have more touches. So yeah, right about here. So we had a touch here, one touch, two touch, three touch, and then we confirmed that okay, we are Nasdaq we are going down now. So that's what we had during the week last week now. So this week I'm seeing Nasdaq coming to break this channel, and then we are going up. As you know that okay, Nasdaq we want to focus on buys, not sells. So we are seeing a push to the upside like this because we have reached the overall sell. The overall sell of Nasdaq, it was somewhere here. So here is where the market maker will manipulate you. They trap the buyers. You thought maybe when it came to this trend line we're gonna buy, but it gave us a false breakout, and right now we are in that channel, that overall channel of daily time frame. So this was a 4-hour time frame. This was a 4-hour time frame channel. So I'm seeing a push to the upside on Nasdaq. So this week we want to focus on buys, not sell. So this is what we have. Maybe you can drop down to, let's have a ray here, ray horizontal line here, because that was the lowest point of the market. So we're anticipating So maybe let's have array here because this was our resistance. So we want to take buys when the market opens. We'll take we'll take buys, and then we're gonna our first TP will be somewhere here. Our first TP will be somewhere here. Our first TP will be somewhere here. So our stop loss will be maybe 40 pips below, yeah, 40 pips below. So we are seeing something like this. But before we conclude that we see a buy, let's go to 1 hour time frame and see what we have on 1 hour time frame. So that's what we see on Nasdaq. We're seeing a push to the upside this whole week. So let's drop down to 1 hour time frame. So on a 1 hour time frame, we are seeing a triple bottom. There was a triple bottom here. The market came and rejected on this zone, came and rejected on this zone, and then third touch confirmation, the market pushed up. So this is what we see on Nasdaq. So when the market opens, we're gonna have a gap, or we're gonna drop down. The market's gonna give us a lower price, and then we're gonna continue with the overall direction. But remember, your TP is somewhere here. So you wanna buy Nasdaq when the market opens today, midnight today. So our TP is around here because that's where we have the major. That's where we were selling in this channel. Right? So I'm seeing a push to the upside. TP, it will be here. So if we break this channel, the market is gonna come and retest this channel, and then we're gonna push up. So remember, Nasdaq is always buying. Selling is just a short-term move. So focus on buys, not sells. You can be profitable with buys than sells. So that's what we see on Nasdaq. We are seeing a push to the upside. Look at here. The market confirmed to us that right now we are pushing. We're gonna push up. This was a false breakout. We had triple bottom here. We had triple bottom. We had this one. We had this one. We had this one, and the market pushed up. So let's go to gold. So this was Nasdaq for you guys. So we're gonna the market is gonna push up this whole week. So let's go to gold. So yeah, this is gold. Let's just place what we had here. So, and then let's go to daily time frame now. Let's move to daily time frame and see what we have on gold. So on gold, we are having something like a rising wedge now. We're having something like a rising wedge. From here, the market on daily time frame, we are having, they call it a falling wedge. So there is a continuation pattern here. Why there's a continuation pattern. So if the market is like this, on daily. So our channels. So let's clone this. This is a resistant trend line. Resistant trend line, and then let's go to let's actually clone this. I guess you know how to clone a trend line. So yeah, I think here it's fine. So on daily time frame, we're having something like a continuation pattern. But we've been saying, remember, this is a daily time frame. So the overall direction, we are anticipating something like this on daily. But remember, it's gonna take a while for us to have a push to the upside. So we wanna scalp it, don't wanna hold it, wanna scalp. So we are having a falling channel. We are having a falling channel. So right now we are at the support trend line. We're at support trend line right now. So let's remove this. So we are anticipating the right now we are on the market touch. We had one touch, two touch, so we're gonna confirm that okay, we can have something like this. So our TP is gonna be here. If you wanna swing this trade, if you wanna swing gold, you can take your profit somewhere here. So let's drop down to H4 now. Let's see what we have on H4. So in H4 we are having trends in trends. Trends in trend. Let's zoom out and see what we can have here. So we are having trends in trends inside the falling channel. So let's just mark up our zones, and then let's have this falling channel. Let's have this falling channel. Okay, we had this previously. We had this now. So let's clone this, and then let's have something like this. So here we had what we had on daily time frame. We had a falling channel inside a falling channel. So what do you see here? We are seeing a push to the upside now. So if we are seeing a push to the upside, we had trends and trends here. We're still falling. So right now we wanna do something like this. Let's erase this and take the major falling channel now. I see a major falling channel somewhere here. So this week Nasdaq we're gonna not Nasdaq. This gold. This is gold. So we are having something like this on gold. So let's clone this. Let's clone this, and then let's put it here. Let's put it here. So, but I think it's breaking our analysis. So let's adjust it to be something like this. Let's adjust it nicely. Nice, like this. So we had one touch, two touch, and then right now we had a three touch. So let's clone this and put our resistance trend line. So let's take this and put it here. Perfect. So we had a trade touch confirmation of goal that this week we're gonna push up, because we're having this falling channel, and then we have reached the overall selling market now. So right now gold, we're gonna have something like this inside that channel. We're gonna have something like this. So if you wanna swing this trade, you can take your profit here, but the overall market direction is here. So here is your first TP. Your first TP will be somewhere here if you're swinging this trade, and then your overall target would be here on the major trend line, on the major trend line. So let's drop down to 1 hour time frame so that you can see what we have on 1 hour time frame, so you can capitalize on it. So we are having a falling channel still. So where we want to buy the market right now, let's leave the market to do what it has to do now. Immediately when we break this upper trend line, that's where we're gonna buy it. If we break with a candlestick confirmation or a bullish candlestick, a long bullish candlestick, we're gonna wait for the candlestick to close outside. That's where we're gonna take our entry, or we're gonna wait for the candlestick to break and come and retest, and then we're gonna take a buy. We're gonna take a buy, and then our first TP will be here, and then our overall TP will be up there. So this is what we see on gold. We are seeing a push to the upside. We are seeing a buy. So yeah, we are done. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We'll bring you more valuable videos in the future. So just like and subscribe.